Meringue powder, stable whipped cream made easy. Whipped cream collapsing in your desserts? Say goodbye to runny messes. Discover the game-changing ingredient that ensures fluffy, stabilized whipped cream every time. Meringue powder. It's quick, it's easy, and your desserts will never look or taste better. Ready to whip up your success? Let's dive in. Stable whipped cream means no more watery separations ruining your creations. From cakes to pies, stabilized cream holds its shape and elegance for hours or even days. Whether you're piping decorations or topping desserts, it's your recipe for a polished, professional look. Let's unlock the secret to perfection. Meringue powder is your new best friend. Made from dried egg whites and stabilizers, it's a powerhouse ingredient that strengthens and extends the life of your whipped cream. It resists heat, maintains its integrity, and enhances the silky texture without altering the beloved creamy taste. All it takes are 4 simple ingredients: cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, a pinch of meringue powder, and your favorite flavoring like vanilla extract. Gather these in your whipping tools, a stand mixer or whisk, and you're just minutes away from stable, dreamy whipped cream. Start with cold heavy cream. It whips faster and creates a better structure. Add meringue powder to your mixing bowl. The powder is the magic stabilizer and the key to success, so don't skip this step. Ready your powdered sugar and flavoring for the perfect balance of taste and sweetness. Heavy whipping cream, cold, 36% fat or higher, 1 cup, 200 milliliters. Meringue powder, 1 tablespoon. Powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons. Vanilla extract or other flavoring, 1 teaspoon. Pour the heavy cream into your pre-chilled bowl with meringue powder, then whisk at medium speed. Once it starts to thicken, gradually add powdered sugar and flavoring. Whip until stiff peaks form. This means the cream holds its shape when the beater is lifted. You're almost there. Is your cream turning too runny? Check that your ingredients are cold enough and avoid overmixing. Over-whipped cream can become grainy, so keep an eye out. If you make a mistake, don't stress. Just stop and gently fold in more liquid cream until the texture softens. Experiment with piping for stunning cakes, topping luscious pies, or adding decadent swirls to beverages. Stable whipped cream is your gateway to creative, eye-catching dessert designs that will impress guests and followers alike. Get ready to turn ordinary treats into extraordinary masterpieces. Store your stabilized whipped cream in a sealed container in the fridge. It will hold its shape and texture for up to 3 days, making it perfect for advanced prep. That means less stress on party day and more time showing off your culinary masterpieces. Ready to transform your desserts? Grab some meringue powder, whip up a batch, and witness the magic of stable whipped cream. Say goodbye to saggy toppings and hello to professional creations. Share your results with friends or online, and let your desserts do the talking. Happy whipping!